One of the other things that makes these spreadsheet tools really powerful is their ability to handle large calculations and simplify it. You could imagine wanting to know the average amount of precipitation over the last 100 or so years. And in order to calculate that on a calculator, typing it in one number at a time, the chances you'd make a mistake are pretty high. And even if you didn't make a mistake, it would take you a long time. So there's a much easier way to do that in a spreadsheet. In terms of spreadsheet organization, I'm going to scroll down now, down to the bottom of my data set, where you see I already have a labeled box that says average annual precipitation. In order to access the calculating functions in a Google spreadsheet, you first type in the key equals. And when I do that, you'll see it already suggests that maybe I want to calculate the average. In fact, I do. And it also suggests that I want to calculate the average for this, which is great. It already knows what I want to do. But let's say it didn't anticipate it. I would simply type in average and then begin bracket. And you'll notice I didn't put any kind of a space. And then I'm going to select this one cell. Now, because we're working with a really large data set, I'm going to scroll all the way up here to the top. And instead of trying to drag the mouse the way one could do, instead I'm going to hold down the Shift button, and then I'm going to click. And when I do that, it took where I initially clicked, which was B119, and it added in that I wanted to go from B119 to B3. And then I put a parentheses to end it. When I press enter, it now calculated the average. You'll notice the average is 31.57307, on and on and on. So we get, on average, 31 inches of precipitation in the central region of Wisconsin each year. What if I wanted to calculate the median? As you could probably guess, you would type in equals median, and already it was anticipating what I wanted to do. I'm going to go all the way up here to the top, select the first cell, scroll all the way down here, select the last cell, once again end it with parentheses, and then press enter. Having gotten this far, let's see if you can figure out how to do the mode yourself.